Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with another hair tutorial. I will be showing you how to create one of my all-time favorite goddess braid hairdo. Okay, so here are some of the items that you're going to need for this quick and easy hairstyle. You're going to need 1 pack of Kanikalan braid, or 1 pack of whichever braid that you wish to use. You're going to need a brush, some bobby pins, some gel to keep my edges all laid, and I might need this bad boy that I love to use so much. I am going to use some of these elastic bands. I'm going to use some of these, and I'm going to use a few of these. All right, so here we go. First thing first, I have my hair already detangled and just into big buns. So first I'm going to take my braid. My braid is the same way I got it in the pack. Okay, same. Just one long thing, and I separate it with my hand, with my fingers. Right where I separate it with my fingers, I'm going to take one of this elastic band. You can use whatever color elastic band you want, because for me it's not going to show, so it doesn't really matter, but black is best, I guess. All right, so you're gonna use one of these elastic bands, and I'm going to secure it in the middle. Make sure it's in 2 even half, okay? All right, so we're just gonna secure this right here like this. Push this through, and we're gonna secure that nice and easy. Can you see that? Focus. All right, so we secure the braid. Now what we're going to do is these 2 ends here and here, we're going to create a plait. All right, so I'm going to try and plait my braid now, because hubby's downstairs with Tyler, so I am going to have to find a way to hold this so I can plait my braid properly, just to get my plait firm and nice. I'm just going to utilize my doorknob to make my plait, because I don't have a hubby with me, he's downstairs. So I'm just gonna make my plait and get right back to you. Okay you guys, so my plait is all done, as you can see. Now what I'm going to do is use a elastic and hold the very end of this plait. So I'm just securing the end with a elastic band. My end is secure, my plait is done. What we're going to do, we're gonna pull this down, and we're going to also pull this down. Forgive me if I'm not looking directly at the camera, that's because I'm looking at the mirror in front of me to make sure I get this right. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is that we're going to make a center part. Center part is done. I'm just gonna roughly catch this at the back just to get my gel in. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to catch my hair in one at the back. I like my catch very firm, so that is why I'm going to use 2 elastic bands, and I'm going to double them just to make sure I get a really firm grip. So I'm just going to apply some gel to my hair to make sure I got all my edges done. I'm just going to roughly apply this all over my head, and I'm going to brush that in. And if you realize I'm brushing sideways, I am not brushing directly backwards. I'm brushing it the way I want it to fall actually. And I'm going to do the same for this side. Okay, now that my edges are laid the way I want them to, I am going to go ahead and catch my hair in one at the back like this. Okay, so that is my catch. That is my catch. Now, I am not going to trouble this just yet. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my braid, and this that you had used to secure the top, I am going to place it right over and let it fall at the bottom of your ponytail. I'm going to lay my braid neatly, come in right, let it fall nicely right here. That's where my hairpin comes in. So I'm gonna pin that right there. See, one pin. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some hairpins to secure my braid up top. All right. So I'm pinning it in the middle of the braid, that way you can see the pins. For my ponytail, I'm just going to make a small bun to hide the two ends of my braid. I like to have my side here, right here, comes down. So I'm just going to use some gel and wrap this right around my fingers like Princess Leia from Star Wars. I'm channeling Princess Leia right now, and let that fall right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. There you have it, guys. My goddess braid is all done, and that's my hairstyle of the day. If you like this video, don't forget to like and leave a comment so we can have a chat. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching.